Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Alright, I've got a flip key Promaster here, and I had a request from a subscriber to make a video for him that's a little bit slowed down so he can really see how to do these. So obviously you're going to hook your J2534 up to the OBD. And get your Autel, close this door. Get your Autel up. You're going to need your programmer, this guy right here, and plug that into USB. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, I like to turn the flashers on, wake it up, turn the ignition on. First thing you're going to do is pick the door and cut a key, but I'm not going to show you all that. You should, if you're watching my videos, you should know that. So we're going to go emo, accept, dodge. Now there's other ways to do this, but this is the way I do it, and it's the fastest way I've found. I go to manual selection on these in North America. Promaster, it's a 17, so 13 through 19. It's a blade key. Verify your information. Yes. Alright, turn the ignition on, make sure you got Wi-Fi, all good. Well, let's take a second to talk to the vehicle. Probably waking up modules. It's Monday morning. Everybody's a little tired. Now we're going to make, that was my key. There it is. We're going to make a flip key for this one. Alright, so then you're going to go to control unit, immobilizer. This is a BCM, so immobilizer BCM. Alright, then we're going to do key learning. First thing you got to do is read and save immobilizer data. So we're going to go to read immobilizer data. Alright, make sure you have Wi-Fi. Okay. Alright, ignition on, off and on. Alright, so that's what you need. Obviously that's the chip we need. That's your password. It's got 2 keys in there now. So this customer's lost all their keys. They had it towed over here to a mechanic we deal with. We're going to make them 2 new keys, and that's going to delete these keys out. When you delete keys out of a Promaster, really it's a Fiat system. When it's a keyed ignition, these keys can never be programmed. These keys are junk. They can never be programmed back. So we're going to save this, whatever you want to save it as. I just save it as a truck number. Doesn't really matter. All right, now we're going to make dealer key next. It's going to ask us function to be used. Just to make a dealer key, make sure you got Wi-Fi. So then we're going to open up that last file. When I ask you to open that last file, if you click view and then the bottom, it's going to bring up that last file you made. Okay, that just verifies that information we just looked at. So you say okay. Now you're going to put your key in there, like so. hit OK. It says make sure it's connected. If the chip's locked, it's not going to work, so it's detecting that. If it's locked, you can unlock these if you have that emo file. If you don't have that emo file, just toss it. There's probably a way to unlock it by doing some EEPROM on it or something, but just toss it. This all takes, I don't know, 20-30 seconds, and that's normal. Sometimes longer. Alright, dealer key generation succeeded. Okay. So now we're going to go to key learning. Key learning. This program of this procedure is used to erase old keys or program no keys. So all keys intended must be programmed if it is a brand new key or already programmed key. Any existing keys for this vehicle which have not been reprogrammed will be disabled and no longer work. Okay. Please make sure you have the keys. It's basically just going over and over again. You better have all the keys. So we'll say OK. Alright, the ignition must be off to ensure the BCM is not in sleep mode. Put the flashers on. We got that. Alright, if the key is not programmed, put it in the ignition. Do not turn it on. Hit OK. Alright, key successfully learned. OK. Would you like to make additional keys? No. And then it double checks. OK. If you press yes, any existing keys will be deleted. So yes, we have one key. So let's see. All right, we have made a key. All right, our key works. So now, for the transponder, I'm going to show you all something else real quick. For the transponder chip, I use a shell. I like shells because they're super cheap. You know, you can get a shell for 70-80 cents and a chip for $1 or so. It's usually a lot cheaper. So what we're going to do is we're going to clone this one. I'm going to show you how to clone. So in your key tool, Key Tool Max, Key Tool Mini, Key Tool Plus, doesn't matter. You can do this with a host of different options. I'm just going to show you how to do it with the Key Tool Max, which is the exact same process as Key Tool Max, Mini, and Plus. So we're going to go to Transponder Clone. We're going to take our key, put it in there, and read the transponder. All right, so locked, clonable. So we're going to say clone, start clone. It's a 46 transponder. Now, if you had a 46 chip, you would just program this in just like I programmed in the first key. When it asks you if you want to do additional keys, you would just program a second one. Easy enough to do. I just don't have any of the 46 chips with me. Technically, I could clone a 46 blank chip, but it's basically the same process as what I'm doing. It's probably going to say I don't have any internet. Come on, baby. Work with me. All right, no internet. Great. Let me grab my hotspot a little bit closer. It's weird because my Autel clearly said I did have internet, but I've been having problems with this hotspot lately. So let's grab my other hotspot. Hotspot. All right. There we go. So we're going to start clone again, 46 transponder. It actually talks to you. Please put in original key. It's good if you can't see the screen or something. Alright, so basically it says, I just do the top one always because it doesn't make sense to the other. Original key clone, we have the original key. So you'll say yes. Alright, wants to do data collecting, so you're going to take the key, put it in with the sniffer beside it, and turn it once. It's going to read the data, and you put the key back in here. Alright, success. So now we're going to put in our super chip, which I've already put my super chip in this shell. So we're going to put that in there. It's going to automatically recognize it, and it's going to copy this key. We're going to say complete. Now this key will start the car. Beautiful. All right. That is it. I hope this helps you guys out. Have a great day.